In this video, I will be comparing Webflow and FlutterFlow to help you decide which platform is the ultimate showdown for your next website or app development project. Both are powerful no-code tools, but they serve very different primary purposes, so let's dive into what makes each one unique. First, let's look at Webflow. I consider Webflow a powerhouse for creating professional, responsive websites without needing to write manual code like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. When I use Webflow, I have access to a visual editor that gives me granular control over every design element. One of the biggest benefits I've found is its SEO optimization. Webflow builds sites with clean semantic code that search engines love, and it provides built-in tools for managing meta tags and alt text effortlessly. I also really appreciate the Integrated Content Management System, or CMS. It allows me to update and manage website content in real time, which is perfect for blogs or dynamic portfolios. For team projects, the collaborative workspace is a lifesaver, as it lets multiple designers and developers work together seamlessly. However, it's worth noting that Webflow has a bit of a learning curve for beginners due to its professional-grade feature set. It also has some limitations when it comes to complex third-party integrations and can become expensive as you scale through its various pricing tiers. Now, let's shift our focus to FlutterFlow. While Webflow is for the web, FlutterFlow is specifically designed for building high-performance native mobile applications using Google's Flutter framework. It offers a user-friendly drag and drop interface that simplifies the entire app development process. One of my favorite features is the hot reload. This lets me see changes I make to the code or design instantly in real time, which significantly speeds up my workflow. FlutterFlow is also fantastic for cross-platform compatibility, allowing me to build for both iOS and Android from a single code base. It integrates deeply with other Flutter tools and Firebase, making it a robust choice for complex apps. On the downside, because it is a relatively newer platform, I found that the documentation can sometimes be less comprehensive than I'd like. It also offers slightly more limited customization for very niche design requirements and has a steeper learning curve if you aren't familiar with the Dart language. When we compare the two, the choice really comes down to your end goal. Webflow wins on design flexibility for websites. It provides a more intuitive canvas for those who want to create visually stunning, responsive web pages with complete creative freedom. FlutterFlow, on the other hand, is the clear winner for functional mobile apps. Its architecture is built for logic and performance on mobile devices, whereas Webflow is not designed for native App Store deployment. In terms of ecosystem, Webflow has a more mature community and extensive template library, but FlutterFlow is growing rapidly and offers more advanced logic building for app-like functionality. I typically recommend Webflow for small businesses, creative agencies, and e-commerce sites that need a strong web presence. It's perfect for landing pages and marketing sites where SEO and visual polish are the priority. I recommend FlutterFlow for tech startups, internal business tools, and educational apps that require a mobile-first approach and complex data interactions. In my final verdict, if your primary goal is a high-end website, go with Webflow. If you are looking to launch a mobile app on the App Store or Google Play, FlutterFlow is the way to go. Both are incredible tools that democratize development, and understanding these key differences will ensure you pick the right one for your specific project requirements. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.